I'm on, right?
Yeah, you
Alright, you're good. It's harder for me to hear it because of the waterproof casing.
Yeah.
I'm working on getting the non-waterproof though.
Hey, bodyguard!
Oh, I got the bodyguard.
Your videos are just coming up like super loud.
I know. I'm trying to get it.
Yeah, normally like my cover case, it came with the regular door like this,
Yeah.
but it also came with the waterproof one. So.
Mine? I bought mine.
What is the safety word?
Turtles. Okay, so
I like
dingus.
turtles.
Kidding, turtles. Did you want to just run all the way up there?
What?
I'm just gonna run all the way up there.
I'm gonna rush?
Yeah.
And do this again?
Yeah. Let's see how this
Hey, go on 3!
Okay, so 7.
My motor grip is kind of loose. Is this good?
No, probably get tightened.
Yeah, it's not gonna fall off stage.
That's it?
God.
Like, no, it's not too bad. It'll last you a game.
I know.
You can get tightened. No big deal.
Is anyone gonna start it today?
Yeah, right?
Hey, Chris!
What?
How do you reach your thundery back here?
I don't.
It's like I have a
It's
thunder.
okay. Well, okay. Well, first of all, don't mess with my stuff because you're not. I know.
He has a gun in his hand. He'll shoot you.
I have a gun in the back of my head. I'm just kidding, but it's for room breaching. So your
Come on.
body rips a.
Jake,
carpet off.
start the game.
Oh,
Come on, you.
Jake's doing the video of the vector.
What?
I think Jake's doing the vector video right now.
Yeah.
It's a good sound.
I have a feeling they're gonna...
They're shooting.
Someone just shot that!
Hey, go back to your spawn.
What do you say?
Chubbs, is that you?
Okay! Start the game! Jake!
Start the game. Start the game.
Please!
Please, start the game.
Wait, I thought Chubbs was on our team.
No.
Chubbs, I thought you were on our team.
There's really no point for the stock.
What?
There's no purpose for the stock.
I kind of like it.
I mean, it's good.
When I use the foregrip, I like it.
Well, I can hold like this, but there's no point to pistol. So,
That's why I like M9. I used to have one, and then I sold it to my friend who was here earlier.
Hey, someone wanna go out there and tell the person to start it?
Jake, start the game.
Start the game!
did you see the jukebox outside in the
Yeah, what
lobby?
is that?
That's fake costume, my friends. When I saw it.
Stay back.
Dude, I'm running up so when you guys
Yeah, well, don't go right behind us.
Contact.
Stop cheating, you fucker!
Move. Okay, go right.
Big Bang!
What the heck?
You got me? I can do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
They're all going that way. Alright, hey, let's go around and flank them.
Tango down. Yeah. Got it. On your team, please pay attention.
Hey, come on, go.
I'm gonna go right in. Bang. Get ready. Cover left. Oh, got me.
Bang, bang.
One, two, three, four. Okay. I can hear them. They're right over here. Ruby medic. We've been taking a lot of casualties. Keep your gun pointed right here. Show no fear. Yeah. Bang. Hey! We're gonna lose a lot of people in this fight. Tank goes down. Did your body with the woodland sit down too? I shot you. Yeah, I did. I saw the BB hit you. I also shot him though. 2 shots, bro. 2 shots. Okay, well, I don't cheat, so I'm gonna sit down. I'm not gonna say the same for you though. Hey, get the medic! Wow. Nerve of some people. Hey, medic! Tyrone! 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 Get over here! Tyrone! I need assistance! I am dead! Please help me! Ridiculous. Tyrone! Oh my god. This is ridiculous. But I don't cheat, so. Tyrone! Tyrone! Ban! I think my medic just left me. Timmy! Dylan! 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 Sounds like someone didn't call their name. Oh, dang it. Yeah, you're down. You didn't leave me. He's down, he's down. Dylan, don't leave me! No! No! Is the game over? Well, it's not all the way. You have to still eliminate your team. Dang it. Hopefully that'll be a good game. I'm not really sure. It was interesting.